Dear friends, in this episode we are learning about base and superbase. Bases are the chemicals which can accept a proton or donate an electron pair in chemical reactions and have pH more than 7, and these bases changes color of red litmus paper into blue. Bases which dissolve in water are called as alkali. Example NaOH. Now, what is a superbase? A superbase is a compound that has a particularly high affinity for protons. Superbases are of theoretical interest and potentially valuable in organic synthesis. Superbases have been described and used since 1850. Generally, IUPAC defines a superbase as a compound having a very high basicity, such as lithium diisopropylamide. Superbases are often defined in two broad categories, that is organic and organometallic superbases. Organic superbases are mostly charged neutral nitrogen containing species where nitrogen acts as a proton acceptor. These includes the phosphagenes, phosphanes, amidins, and guanidines. Organometallic Organometallic compounds of electropositive metals are superbases, but they are generally strong nucleophiles. Example includes organolithium and organomagnesium grignard reagent compounds. Thank you to listening this episode. If you find it interesting, please do follow us and also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com.